Hi guys, today we are going to see waterfall methodology versus Agile. First we are going to see Agile. In the previous uh, sessions we have seen Agile in the Agile frameworks. Now we are quickly see that what is Agile. Agile is a concept or a methodology that involves the iterative development in shorter cycles, that we'll call it as sprints or iterations. So high level of interaction with users and the business representatives. Business representatives in terms of product owners or product managers. So here in that we will do the requirements, discussing with the business owners and the Agile team, and based on that we can give estimations, planning, and we can design and development, testing, deployment. Then after testing, deployment, and user acceptance testing in the review, so then it will deliver to the working software to the customer. So this is how the Agile software development. So in Agile manifesto, we already seen in our previous videos. Anyhow, we are quick look into this. Individuals and interactions over process and tools. So here individual interactions only importance we are given in Agile. So working software over comprehensive documentation. Documentation is very important, but then working software is the primary goal in Agile. So customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Responding to change over following a plan. So we need to respond a change without following that plan. So these are the Agile manifestos. So next one we will see what is waterfall software development. It involves stages that are run from start to finish before commencing the next stage. So what are the general stages in waterfall software development? This is the most before Agile. This is the one of the popular software development methodology. Here general stages, requirements. In this stage we will prepare a product requirements document and gather requirements from the customer. Then design here software architecture, high level design, low level design, and those things will be taken care in that. Then implementation. We are doing the development, unit testing, and making the software ready. Then verification is nothing but system testing. Then it will go to the system testing, then it will go to the user acceptance testing, then it will go to the live. Then after that we will give the support in the maintenance stage. This is how the waterfall software development. The main intention of this session we are going to cover differences between Agile and waterfall. So in Agile we will use as iterations. This is called as shorter duration. For example, 2 weeks to 2 months. So here every 2 weeks we can deliver the software. In some iterations they will have 2 months of one complete life cycle, then they will deliver, or they will deliver every iteration, deliver to the customer. One iteration maybe 2 weeks or 1 week also. Some the people follow in that some of the frameworks. So in waterfall we can use the stages only. So every stage will go to that from the beginning to end, then only we can go for the next one. So that means once it is the stage fully completed, that requirements to maintenance, then any change request comes, then only we will start from the scratch actually. This is how it will work in waterfall model. So in Agile has constant business interaction. The users and business people, a business representative, the product owner or product manager will constantly interact with the development team in Agile. So whereas in waterfall it is varied high and low interactions. High in terms of during the requirements gathering and user acceptance testing, that time it will be very much higher. Then whereas low during development and system testing, that interaction won't be there that much. In Agile has roles such as Scrum Master. He is facilitating all the Agile ceremonies like planning and then product backlog planning and facilitating with the interaction with other dependency teams, and then retrospective meeting. All the Agile ceremonies he is taking care of, facilitating the Agile ceremonies, Scrum Master. Here in waterfall model, we as a project manager will take all the roles. He will interact with the customer onshore part, and then he will involve with the managing a team and budgets, everything he will take care of the while end-to-end life cycle of software development in waterfall model. In go back with Agile, so it means every iteration again will start from the with shorter life cycle, right? So in 1 week or 2 weeks will start from analysis to deployment. But whereas in waterfall, we can't go back with waterfall, so it will require some months or some kind of months duration. So the requirements and design, development, deployment, test, verification, maintenance, then again it will come back. So it will take some time, so we can't go back with suddenly, we cannot go back with the shorter life cycles. This is the major difference in Agile versus waterfall. So next one is, which is better? It depends on the several factors such as work environment and styles of the project, which kind of project it will be. So we can apply based on that whether we can go for Agile methodology or waterfall. So in Agile, a small and frequent functionality or time to market is considered. That means wherever we need to deliver fastly in a small level, for example mobile application development, we need to give the plugins, we need to give if anything shopping cart related application, so we can give frequently there, and all we can apply the Agile methodologies. Waterfall is a high level of business involvement is not needed or not possible, or the quality is important than speed. So that kind of project we can go for waterfall. So again, experience of the team needs to be considered in this factor. Based on that we can go for Agile or waterfall. And other than this, so we cannot determine the which we go for, but again again there are several factors involved, which situation we can use it. So that's all guys, thanks for watching my video. Bye for now.